Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy BZ back with another brand new video, and today we're going to be taking on pocket option head on with our 10k on our account. After a huge loss, we bounced back a little bit better on the last video. Today I'm going to keep that momentum and try to stay on the positive side for the long, kind of have a streak. So before we jump right into it, I got to plug myself, so don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification button so you know when a new banger drops, and you can join me as we get into the video. So don't forget to join the Telegram channel, links will be in the description. And if you're new to pocket option, you can use the link in the description to join, create an account, and try some of the strategies. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So gang, let's dive right into the charts. So as you can see, I am on British pounds, Japanese yen. I'm gonna add my indicators, which is not the most important thing. I just want to get it out of the way. I'm gonna add 200 EMA, as I always do. Save that. So first, we're looking at conditions in the market. Right now, it seems like we are in an upward trend. Now what we're looking for is to draw support. But first, what I'm looking at, as you can see, is a lot of different movement, especially right here in the market. So when we look at where that price started today, let's see. So it looks like it's on an upward trend, just been going up, crosses above, the price here all day has been going up. So right now, when we check our 5-minute time frame, we're looking for is our upward trend as well here. Very strong candles. Right now, we're looking for what is the highest point that the market has been recently. We want to say that that's 201.023 right here. 201.023. 201.023. Yeah, I can't seem to find it here. That's not the highest point. 201.315. Right there. Market right now is above this point as well. So we're looking for the it hasn't been. Okay, 1.2937. Let me just put a line here. Let's see. We can go back. So right here we've got 2.622. And we've got another one. So I'm gonna definitely go into an uptrend right here. I'm gonna enter 500 bucks. As you can see, I ended the last stream with 5,000, but as you can see, I went on a streak on that same day after the video. Went into my Telegram channel, gave some very good signals. I can't see the rest of them, but you can see I did a couple of $500 trades here and there. Was able to take some money. So we're still on British pounds. And we can see here another good opportunity to try to enter into call. So let's first change our time frames and see. It's looking good. Definitely don't want to miss that opportunity to enter into a call here. I might double up on it if I have a chance. So 1,000. We are in the money on our first trade. Not as good as you want to, but it's starting to look a lot better. Go to open right here. So we've got 1,000 right in here. Market is still pulling down, but just because I see the way the market has been pushed, I'm pretty sure in this both situation we should be able to take money. Now I'm expecting this candle to be green, but I'm not expecting it to be pushed super hard. Oh, but right now we see a huge drop in the market. Whoa, that is definitely a problem. And right here, we just right at our entry point, market isn't moving either way, and now we see a clear downward trend. To see how that price is being pushed, I mean, there's no way that this price shouldn't go up. All right, I'm a believer. We're not gonna, right here, got the price pulled down for absolutely no reason. I believe that this price should definitely not be going down here. So we lost $500, which is like no clear, nothing is clear here. Nothing feels clear. So we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna time this out. So we lost that $500 right here on Japanese, on British pounds, Japanese yen. Whoa! We're just in the money with 13 seconds left, and the price pulls completely in the other direction. With 5 seconds left on our trade, we take. Okay, so we get our money back on our trade, fully even, didn't have any losses. So we only lost $500. We made 430, so pretty much we lost $70. Okay, so now I'm a little worried about this pairs. You can see how this price is just moving between this candle. Look at how long that tail is. Despite the fact we see that candle ends up green, and we might still be thinking about entry into a call here. But I don't see that price being pushed at all. But there's no reason for me to expect a change in the market here. Like at all. It's not like the market is... we still see it, right? Alright, we're gonna go back to... Same thing. It seems like the market is about to drop. Very, very strong looking candles. There is nothing apart from thinking that the market is changing from somewhere around here, but we don't see it hit those levels at all. Neither do we see it hit any of those levels, but just based off the volume of the candles, we might check our M5. Nothing is showing us on M5 that should really change that. Let's go M10. Okay, I've come to our M10. We're in a downward trend for the next 10 minutes. So this might be a good time to enter into a nice little put right there for 1,000. And maybe if we hit this trade, we could pull even and go into a little bit of a profit. So you can see we've got a couple of minutes left, about a minute 37. Let me show you right here on my opened. A minute 30. So as that's going on, the thing we want to focus on is where this candle might end up going to. So one of the first things that I'm thinking about is this definitely looks like an upward trend from the beginning, but right now we're starting to see that despite the fact that we see, so let me push this down a little bit. Despite the fact that we see this nice little string, but we don't see it take any control of the market at any point, despite the fact that the market has been going down. So this might be a situation where we just had the market go up and then it's just gonna flip all the way down. Let's look at how strong that candle is. We're not seeing a longer wick below it. We can see below this where the price try to push up. But right here, you can see that it feels like they truly have control over that market. Just to try, I will go into a put here. Just because I see how that price is being pushed. I think it's a good opportunity. Let's go back to our initial trade. As you can see, that trade is looking great. And open. We've got gonna make about 830. So we are finally back in the green. Yeah, and that feels good. So we're back to British pounds. Just come on. What the hell? Okay, fixing shit. We're back to British pounds CHF with Swiss francs. And as you can see, the market is looking good here as well with 1 minute left. This was the one we didn't lose any money out. We got payout here. We got zero payout. Here we got a 430 profit. And here we got 830 profit. Now for this trade, I think the same thing is going to happen. I think if you wait a little bit more in this market, either you see, I mean, it's going to be very difficult for you to see an upward trend here after such a candle. So if I'm even on my good day, I might enter into another put right there. I'm gonna enter into another put right here and see how that, just going off the strength of the first two candles, it just makes sense that price is gonna take a bit of a beating, and you just see it's gonna pull all the way downwards. So we're able to take profit on that $100 for a nice little $86 profit, and entering into 1,000 here while watching that price battle for who's gonna take supremacy over there. So we're able to take that $86 profit, and with a minute 18 seconds left, we'll put $1,000 on the line, hoping that price. So pretty much, we started a little bit crazy with $500 loss, but we're able to pull back, and make a couple of good trades here and there. So it's about 47 seconds before this trade is gonna finish. It's not looking great, but what I'm gonna say is thank you guys for joining me for another BZ Trade video. I hope you guys are able to enjoy and see how we do things around here. So thank you guys for joining me for another video. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.